We still need names for the twins.
Help us choose.
Comment your favorite boy and girl names below.
No! No more diapers! They are multiplying! It was just a dream.
Today is the baby shower.
Oh no. The dream was real.
There is no name. They are moving again.
They already cost too much. What happened?
Just a strong kick.
So many presents!
That means more baby things.
Almost got it.
Baby moved too much.
It was not here before.
I think someone moved it.
It hurts a little. Not now.
Kate? Has anyone seen Kate?
Mom?
She was here before.
Kate, there you are.
I just needed air.
Are you sure you're okay?
Oh! What happened?
I think it's starting.
No, not today!
Mike, calm down. I think the babies are coming.
Is Mom okay? The babies are coming.
Where is the hospital bag? Why do I have towels?
Mike, what's wrong?
Dad, towels? Funny!
The babies need this. I found diapers.
This is not helping. I found the bag.
Mike, that's decorations.
Pick up. Oh no.
Mike, it really hurts.
I'm scared.
It's okay. Dad will fix everything.
Where are my keys? Check the kitchen!
I found them.
You saved us!
I know. The box.
No!
Mike!
The babies are coming.
The car won't start.
Please start. Ah! Please start!
Mike, breathe.
I forgot how to breathe.
Why does this keep happening?
I'm scared.
We are together.
I know.
Take my car! You are my hero!
We want to go too. We can help.
You need to stay safe.
Where are you? We are almost there.
We will be okay.
Take care of your sister.
I will.
We are going!
It hurts.
No! Traffic?
Mike.
No! Traffic!
Mike. Oh no.
What happened?
My water broke.
What? Hold on!
Mike, focus!
I'm trying! Traffic is crazy!
We made it.
No, we are just starting.
We are here!
The babies are really coming.
Sit down carefully. Mike, relax.
I can't relax. Name? My name?
Yes. Stay with me.
Always.
I'm worried.
Dad said everything will be okay. I can't do this.
One more baby.
Right. Twins. Oh my God. There are really two babies. They are so small.
We did it.
They are here.
They are H-E-R.
She is beautiful.
And he already scares me.
They are tiny.
What was that? We still need names for the twins.
Help us choose.
Comment your favorite boy and girl names below.